my YouTube love. So this video, I'm going to share with you what I'm taking to the hospital for my VSG surgery, vertical sleeve gastrectomy. So I'm going to show you guys some things that I'm packing, some comfort items that I'm taking, and yeah. So with the surgery, I'm only going to be standing out one night observation. So the nurse was like, don't bring a lot of stuff. You don't need a lot of stuff. Just bring a few items. So that's what I'm packing. I'm using my book bag. I got this for Christmas actually. And it's going to be a book bag that I use for my cruises. That's a whole nother video. So it's a nice book bag. You got picnic compartments to put in stuff in. And yeah. So inside the book bag, I have an outfit. It'll be the outfit that I'm actually wearing to the hospital. I'm going to come home in the hospital because I feel like I'm going to get to the hospital randomly early. They're going to put me in a hospital gown. I'm going to have the hospital gown on the entire time I'm in the hospital. Then I'm coming home. So I'm wearing the same outfit that I'm wearing to the hospital, home from the hospital. I do have a fresh pair of undies in there and a sports bra. And I have a couple of feminine products because you never know. I might come on my cycle. I heard stories about that happening. So I just wanted to be prepared for that as well. I do have my toiletry bag with a few items in here. Then I'm taking with me just some are comfort, some I may not even use, but I want. I was told that I can't use it at the hospital. I'm taking them anyway, so I'm taking my Gas X chewables. And I also have some infant Gas X relief. Yeah, you guys see it. I'm going to take those two items. That's in my travel bag. One thing I was told from everybody was chapstick, 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 chapstick. So I'm going to bring some chapstick. And I picked up basic toiletries and baby lotion to keep my skin nice and moisturized. And because right after surgery, I plan to do plenty of walking to relieve the gas pressure, which is going to be number one thing for coming home. I need to bring a pair of hard bottom slippers, so I just have, you know, some slippers. And I have these slippers I have too. They're not quite hard, but yeah, but I'm bringing these as well. So 2 pairs of slippers to see which one the hospital will allow me to wear. And of course I'm bringing my camera so I can vlog, and my husband's going to be vlogging some too. So we're bringing my camera and my batteries for that, and SD cards. Bringing my cell phone charger because I'm going to need that. So in my downtime, you know. I'm also going to bring my cup. Now I got this cup. It's a baby cup. I got it from Walmart for $5. But it's a sippy cup. And I've been using this cup during my pre-op phase because the biggest thing I'm learning and I read about and research is that sipping, slowly sipping. So I've been doing a lot of sipping these last few weeks just so after surgery I could sip. It's 14 ounces, but I like to pour my drinks in here and I'm going to sip at the hospital. So I'm taking this cup with me so I can have my little 1 ounce in here and sip it away. Taking that with me. I'm also taking my headphones because if allowed, while I'm walking, I can have my headphones in the hallway and listen to some music and, you know, just walk and listen to music. If it's allowed. If not, I just tell I'm in the bed. I also will be bringing a book. I might not read the book, but I have been reading this book, so I figure if I have some time to read, I'm going to bring my book and read it. Like I said, if I don't read it, no big deal. I'm bringing a book. And I'm also be bringing, I ordered this online. It is a bariatric abdominal binder. So it goes on like this. There we go. There we go. This will be for coming home from the hospital. Just some added protection. My nurse recommended me to get it, so I got it and got it off Amazon. So I'm going to wear this coming home. I'm also not seeing, I'm going to bring a pillow from my house. My husband will bring it on that second day. And I'm going to have that on my stomach with this, so the ride home won't be too unpleasant to come home with. And of course I'm bringing No, my insurance card, my ID, that type of stuff. I would not be bringing any jewelry, so I'm taking my rings off. And I'm bringing a comb and a brush for my hair. And I think, yeah, that's pretty much it. What I'm bringing to the hospital, I'm bringing as minimal as possible because I do believe that the hospital will provide me with as many things as I need. And everything else I have at home. And pending no complications, I'll be back home the very next day. So, again, pack light. Don't bring any money. You're not going to need it. Don't bring any jewelry. You're not going to need it. But I just wanted to bring a little comfort from home. That's why I have the book and my headphones. So, yeah, if you watching this video, I hope these tips help you about what to bring to the hospital. Again, wear the same clothes home. You're going to take it off as soon as you get there. Don't bring extra clothes. I'm not bringing a robe. I'm not bringing a gown, anything like that, because I'm not going to need it. I'm going to be in the hospital gowns. So, again, little as possible that I'm packing to bring with me to the hospital. I'm very excited about my surgery, and yeah, looking forward to it. So, hope this video helps someone out there. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and until the next video, peace, my loves.